This is the Zuru 5 Surprise My Mini Baby. And the cool thing about this is that they're 1/6 scale. And there's a variety of colors and accessories that come with these, which is pretty interesting. What I like about it is it gives my G.I. Joes added members to their family. This is one of the things that comes with the little crib, kind of underscale. There's also some instructions on how to put the crib together, which is pretty easy. This is the instructions for the changing table, which isn't too bad, but both are kind of underscale. You also get this birth certificate, which I find pretty interesting, especially if you're just collecting this as the Zuru 5 Surprise babies. I really like these dome shell things that they come in. There's not much to the crib and changing table. I don't see being able to use these because they're quite underscale. The little top portions are made of soft rubber. The babies also come with added accessories. This one came with a little hat thing, and the other one came with a couple little bottles. Looks like lotion and baby lotion or something. The babies are made out of a soft rubberized material, like a silicone. Their eyes are closed, and they have some painted details. It's kind of a nice sculpture. This one is a darker skin tone, so there's a variety of skin tones that these will come in. And I'm glad they gave them diapers. The babies are 1/6 scale, which I appreciate. And I like the fact that they have painted details. I wish the eyes were open. I think that would have looked better. One of the things I like to do is create families in my universe that my photo stories take place in. So this is my Special Operations Commander with his wife and infant child. She is a made-to-move Barbie, the basketball version. I like the idea of creating families for my action figures. Flesh out more of a family. This is his brother, Joseph. He's from the Fresh Squad doll line. I really liked his head sculpt. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought he looked close enough to being his brother. The articulation on him is not too bad. It's got some movement in the wrist and double jointed elbow, although it doesn't bend as great. Of course, some articulation in the shoulders, then in the hips and knees. Overall, he'll be a great mission support specialist. And she's also from the Fresh Squad doll line. Then Joseph's wife. Her head sculpt was pretty cool. I liked it. Seems kind of strange to me that she doesn't have the double jointed elbow or articulation in the wrist like the male version of these dolls. But that's okay. She's also going to be a mission support specialist. She does have bendable knees and, of course, articulation in the hips. I thought they'd make a great family. I'm pretty pleased with the way they came out. It's probably one of my most complete families in my Brass Eagle Adventure team. That's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And share this video, it really helps out. And drop a comment. I like to hear your opinions. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.